forces out. We have Usteria. That's the begin. Australian gun is running by the rail. Moving up on the outside now is My Hope. Your Teddy Go is racing down on the inside. Then comes Best of Chumaya. And Prabhu Bell. Usteria, the leader by about 2 lengths. Australian car in second. My Hope alongside third. Your Teddy Go in fourth. Then comes Best of Chumaya and Prabhu Bell. They swing into the back. We have Usteria. She's a length and a half in front of Australian Cat. Yo Teddy Go. My Hope now moving up on the outside to take third. Then 5 lengths away in fifth is Best of Chumay and Prabhu Bell. And that's the Usteria by about 2.5 lengths. My Hope now moving up to take second. Australian Cat in third. Yo Teddy Go in fourth and Best of Chumay. Usteria by only a length and a half. Then a threatening presence now coming from My Hope on the outside. Usteria, My Hope is on the outside second. Racing into this Yo Teddy Go as they come down to the last 150. Usteria is still in front. My Hope is on the outside second. But it's still Usteria. My Hope is on the outside second. Yo Teddy Go. Usteria, My Hope is on the outside. But it's still Usteria by about 3 lengths over My Hope. Then finally Usteria, My Hope. Close, Yo Teddy Go. Then comes Prabhu Bell, US of Chumay.